Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zani Study Instruments. Here all students who are doing Master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is History of English Literature, and I'm gonna tell you about the topic William Shakespeare biography, birth to death. And before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel Zani Study Instruments and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. Literature in Pakistan. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me in the comments box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Now I'm gonna start the topic. William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and world. Born April 1st, 1564, dead April 23, 1666, cause of death unknown, height 5.6, 1.68 m, spouse Anne Hathaway, children Judith, Queenie, Hamlet. Shakespeare. Susanna Hall. Parent John Shakespeare. Shakespeare's work has made a lasting impression on later theatre and literature. In particular, he expanded the dramatic potential of characterization, plot, language, and genre until Romeo and Juliet. For example, romance had not been viewed as a worthy topic for tragedy. Soliloquies had been used mainly to convey information about character or events, but Shakespeare used them to explore characters' minds. His work heavily influenced her later poetry. The Romantic poets attempted to review Shakespearean verse drama, though with little success. Critic George Stanner described all English verse dramas from Coleridge to Tennyson as feeble variations on Shakespearean images. Shakespeare influenced such as Thomas Hardy, William Faulkner, and Charles Dickens. The American novelist Herman Melville soliloquies owe much to Shakespeare. His Captain Ahab in Moby Dick is a classic tragic hero inspired by King Lear. Scholars have identified 20,000 pieces of music linked to Shakespeare works. These include 3 operas by Gossip, Verdi, Macbeth, Othello, and Falstaff, whose critical standing compares with that of the source plays. Shakespeare has also inspired many painters, including the Romantics and the Pre-Raphaelites. The Swiss Romantic artist Henri Fuseli, a friend of William Blake, even translated Macbeth into German. The psychoanalyst Sigmund Freud drew on Shakespearean psychology, in particular that of Hamlet, for his theories of human nature. In Shakespeare's day, grammar, spelling, and pronunciation were less standardized than they are now, and his use of language helped shape modern English. Samuel Johnson quoted him more often than any other author in his A Dictionary of the English Language, the first serious work of its type. Expressions such as with bated breath, Merchant of Venice, and a foregone conclusion, Othello, have found their way into everyday English speech. Guys, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक विलियम शेक्सपियर biography, birth to death. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.